Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time on this channel, you're welcome. I am A.H.P. I'm an author and I also do business. Now today's video is basically me sharing with you how I make aubergine stew, okay, the tomato based aubergine stew, and I'm going to be serving that with rice, but I'm not going to cook the rice in this video because I believe everybody knows how to cook boiled white rice, okay? So if you don't know how to make boiled white rice, it's basically you measure your cups of rice and then you measure the same amount of water and you use your saucepan or you use your rice cooker to cook it, and then you taste it until and see if it's soft enough for you to eat. And that is basically it, okay? The process for rice. But I'm going to show you how we make aubergine stew in Uganda, and this is a vegan friendly meal, okay? So I already started actually recording this video, however my battery died, so I couldn't continue, so I had to start from scratch because I don't want to what's it called, upload too many bits and pieces, okay? But once I'm done cooking the stew and everything, I'm going to come back with a short video, okay, showing you exactly what the meal looks like, complete with the rice and everything, okay? So here I've already got my aubergine that is chopped, okay, and washed. This is how aubergine looks like for those of you who don't know what aubergine looks like, okay? And of course I'm going to be using long grain rice. I've got my cooking oil. I'm going to be using vegetable oil, and then some table salt, okay? Now I've got some curry as well, so I'm not going to put a lot of salt because most powdered seasoning, especially even ones like curry, have salt in them, okay? So I'll just use less than I'll just use half a teaspoon of salt, okay? But I've already started, and I've already got my onions chopped in here and my turmeric in there, okay? Basically this is the base for my curry, but I don't have turmeric in there, so I just chopped up a piece of turmeric in there, washed it, chopped it up into little pieces, and I've added it so that it gives the yellow flavor, the yellow look, and also the turmeric flavor, okay? That is normally in curry powder, okay? And then of course this is the type of onion that I used, okay? So I just used one in there, and of course I had my chopping board and my knife and everything, but I don't need that now. So, and then I've got here plum tomatoes, okay? Plum tomatoes, but you can use chopped tomatoes or the fresh tomatoes, the one that is whole. That's the one that we normally use in Uganda, but because I am out, well, I don't have it right now, the whole tomato, I don't have that in my fridge, so I'm using canned instead, okay? So I'll just mash it up in there and it'll just be fine, okay? So my onion had, so what you need to do is basically put your oil in your saucepan and wait until your oil is hot enough. You test it with a piece of onion. When you see it bubbling, you know it's ready. Then you put your onions in. You let your onions cook until it's translucent and nice and soft, and then you add your seasoning, which is your curry powder and your salt, okay? And you let and then you add your tomatoes, and let's continue the process from then on. Okay, you let your tomatoes cook. So I'm just going to be mashing up my tomatoes. Of course, I'm using a wooden spoon, which is what we normally use in Uganda to cook. Okay, so I hope you're having, well, it's early hours of the morning, it's Tuesday morning. I hope you had a good bank holiday, okay? We had a good one, a quiet one, and good. Right, I'm not going to waste all this flavor, so I'm going to rinse my bowl. And pour it into the saucepan to make a nice sauce basically for the aubergine. Okay, so oh, I nearly made a mistake there. I need to take a photo. I don't need that. Don't need these. Right, I'm going to wash my rice. I'm just going to put 2 of these cups. This is basically a 1/4 of a cup, so I'm going to put 2 of that to make roughly 1.5 cups of rice. Actually, I'm going to put all of it, so that will make 2 cups of rice. that means I'll put I'll put 4 of this cup of water because it's long grain rice. So just gonna wash my rice. Right, I'll wash that, put that to the side, get some water in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. This is how my tomato is looking. My tomatoes, my onions. Okay, that's how it's looking. So now I can put my aubergine in. I just used one of the size of the aubergine that I showed you guys. So I'm going to rinse that and put that away. Don't need this anymore. So I'll put that in the bin in a minute. I don't need this. So now that's the tomato water that I was keeping aside. So this is how it's looking. Okay. So in Uganda we don't add things like chili into our food straight away, but we have our chili on the side for adults who eat chili. So that is why I didn't put any chili in there. Okay. But yeah. but you can add chili if you want. So I'm just going to let that cook. That's basically our food complete. Well, this part complete. We just wait until the aubergine is cooked and the sauce is nice and thickened a bit, and then we'll transfer it, and then we'll use the rice cooker again to cook our rice. Okay, so I'm just gonna cover it at this point. Okay, and then I'll tidy up. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried Ugandan food before. Let me know, okay? And which one is your favorite Ugandan food? Whether you're from northern Uganda like myself or you're from other parts of Uganda. Let me know in the comment section. Okay? Other than that, have a good day and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.